Hey guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching Gadget Unload. Now I am going to review this hand spinner which is made in China, and as you can see here, this is my hand spinner. How is it looking, my friends? And I bought it from Amazon around 250 rupees. This is a hand spinner. This is made in China. This is a packet over here and nothing is written over the price. Now I will unbox this. This is the hand spinner, and we should take a side over here. Now this is the hand spinner, and as you can see here, the packing is waste. This is made up of fully metal, and you can see there the product quality is amazing. There are some holes over here. This made up of fully iron, and you can spin over here right there. I make it quick so that you guys enjoy the spinning. If you want to buy this, you can directly go to my link and click the link. It will redirect you to the Amazon page where you can buy this product. This is amazing, and you can also buy the Tiranga fidget spinner, which is available in Amazon also, but I bought this. If you like a Tiranga fidget spinner, then you can surely buy that. So friends, here is the fidget, and its quality is amazing. Right there, fidget is good. See, it is amazing. It is amazing, guys. It is amazing. So thanks friends for watching this video. You can also buy Tiranga fidget in the description down below. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like a thumbs up to this video and share for this fidget spinner. Thank you guys.